In part 3 of our video, let me share with you a short and fictive story. John is sitting on his couch, laptop on his lap. He's using a software called RoboMaker, allowing him to design his own humanoid social robot using custom 3D models. His dream has always been to have a robot companion resembling his favorite movie star, Tom Cruise. He opens the software and selects the face option. Browsing through a gallery of faces, he finds one that resembles Tom Cruise. With a click and a drag, he places it on the main screen, adjusting the size, shape, and position of the face using the sliders and buttons on the side panel. He smiles as his robot's face takes shape. Moving on to the body option, he chooses a muscular and athletic body type from the menu. Placing it below the face, he modifies the height, weight, and skin tone using the same tools as before. Adding clothes and accessories like a leather jacket, jeans, sunglasses, and a watch, he carefully crafts his robot's appearance. Previewing his creation from different angles, zooming in and out to check the details, he is satisfied with his design. Clicking on the Save button, he names his robot Tom and uploads it to his online account. Excited to bring his creation to life, he orders a 3D print of his robot from a nearby service provider. He eagerly awaits the arrival of his robot, imagining the fun and excitement of having a friend who looks and acts like Tom Cruise.